Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You are here with me, Diana, and today we're going to plant some citrus trees. Yes, I went to the Home Depot. I found these two. One is a lime and we have a lemon. And they claim that these are supposed to be for zone 7B. It has it right here on the container. But I'm not going to take any chances and plant this in the ground. So I am going to be planting them in these 25-gallon fabric pots. Okay? So here they are. We got them from Home Depot for $29.98 a piece. And check it out, y'all. We have a lemon. This little tiny tree has a lemon growing. Can you believe it? Okay. So, I don't know too much about citrus because I was always told we couldn't grow citrus here in Southern Virginia. But hey, we're going to give this a shot. So, I went on ahead and got this right here. This soil is supposed to be for citrus. We got the citrus plant food. We're going to put just a tad Epsom salt, some blood meal, bone meal. All right. So right over here, we got compost and we got some topsoil. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, if I can get this open. Probably should have opened it before. But I'm going to mix half and half. I'm going to put half of this into here. And we're going to mix it up real good. Because we want to get us these citrus plants a good start. And don't mind my neighbor's dogs. I don't know what's going on. They might be over there getting ready to feed them or something. But yeah, so we're going to mix this, half of this. Go ahead and put this citrus and avocado plant food. I wish we could grow avocado here too, but hey, I'll take these lemon and lime trees. I don't do no measuring, y'all. This is a 25-gallon fabric pot, so I want to put enough in there. We'll put our bone meal. It's hard to open stuff with these gloves. We'll put some blood meal in here. Running low on that blood meal. And just a tad of this Epsom salt here. Alright. So now, here comes the hard work. We got to mix all this up. Okay, so we got the soil amended. What we're going to do now is get a good shot of this here. See these roots? This is root bound. So we need to fix this before we plant it, okay? So we're going to go ahead. Look at that. See how those roots are encircled? It's root bound. So these roots can actually kill the tree. It can wrap around and kill the tree, and we don't want that. So we're going to go ahead and take this water hose, spray it down. We're going to get these roots exposed. Alright, so here's how she's looking. We don't want them roots wrapping around. We want them to flare out. Don't be afraid to break up these roots. You don't want to kill your tree by allowing these roots to wrap around this trunk. This needs to be exposed. Spray it a little more here. All right, so zoom in here and check it out. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but it was way up here. Now we got it down. We got the roots nice and flared out here. So I feel like she's about ready. Now you can really see it. Check out that system. See that? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plant her. We're gonna get ready and plant her right here in this 25-gallon pot. So we're gonna lay her down, because we got to add some more. Gentle now. I don't want nothing to happen to you. Wait right there. All right. So we're going to go ahead on and fill this up at least halfway with this mixture that I made here of compost, topsoil, and the citrus blend for citrus trees. On in here. Okay, so we got her filled up. I'm gonna go ahead, dig a little trench there, a hole. We're gonna take this nice root system here, and we don't want her. Actually, let's put a little more dirt in here. Let me make sure her roots is flared out first, because we want her to spread. Okay. Now you don't want to put too much dirt up to the top of this. This is how we gonna plant this. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with my lemon. My Mylar lemon. Not quite sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but so there she goes. Check her out. You get out the light. And also, you guys, look here. We got fruit. We got fruit on this little baby tree. And got another little bud right there. Check them out. All on here. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with my lemon. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and give her a good watering now. I'm not going to give her no fish fertilizer today. I think I'm going to give both of them a little time to recuperate. And once they have done their recuperation, because I know they're probably going to go through a shock, and I might even lose my lemon. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and give both of them a good soaking. And we're just gonna let them recuperate, and hopefully they will make it. And I'm going to have to build me a greenhouse for these because I do want them to live. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And make sure you give me a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.